Hello guys, hello. I want you to know that I have just arrived to the delivery destination, and now the time is 8 p.m. It is a very nice town. It is the first time that I come here, so despite the long distance that I drove, it is very nice place to be. Actually, I wish if I could show you the road from Portadown to this town. Actually, it is very nice, very amazing area, and the road was very beautiful. Only one problem: the sunlight was so low, or the sun was so low that hurt my eyes, because it came directly to my eyes. But as general, the place is nice, very nice place. I like it. It's very nice town. I wish if I come here again, but for fair price. I come here again for fair price, because this price right now is not that fair. And I hope literally that this delivery finishes 9:30. I hope that it doesn't take that much of time. Belmont Road. It is 4 minutes separates me from the first delivery, and I am already here.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Melmount Road.
Alright, I'm taking the second exit.
In half a mile, turn right onto Ballycolman Road.
It's a very nice town. I think it is by the border between Northern Ireland and Republic of Ireland. Northern Ireland and Republic of Ireland. It's very hard for me to pronounce letter R combined with letter L.
In half a mile, turn
Oh my God, I have just missed my first
head north on
exit.
Melmount Road for half a mile.
But luckily, oh my God, luckily there is another way to go around, which is oh my God, it's gonna cost me 4 minutes. I have just finished. I have just missed my first road.
Of a mile, turn right.
All right, next exit or next turn. It's
Turn right.
gonna be my turn to turn right. I don't need.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
Oh my God, that's very hard turn. And to tell you how beautiful it is, like right now, look at this scene. I don't know if you see it that clearly as I see it, but look at that scene. Imagine you live here and then you have this mountain in your backyard. What a beautiful scene. Houses here are also nice.
Turn left, then in 100 feet, turn right. In 100 feet, turn right.
The town is very calm, and as I said, the view is awesome. as I said, right now the time is 8 or quarter past 8,
Traffic doesn't stop.
and this delivery is supposed to finish 9:30. I don't know. I think I can do it, or maybe no. Stop genocide, free Gaza.
Turn right onto Ballycolman Road. 100 feet turn left. Turn left.
Alright, this is my first destination or my first delivery. I have arrived.
350 feet turn right onto Linkside Park.
I don't think that I have to turn because... Okay. Beautiful kids.
Turn right onto Linkside Park, then arrive at the destination on your right. Arrive at the destination.
Oh, sorry. A mom running in front of her children or behind her children. Alright, mom. Okay, I'm just gonna reverse here. Look at this area, it's very nice. Look at the way they are living here. Can I leave my car running? I think, yeah. Okay, it's a box, and as always the box is gonna be in the back, so I hope that I finish it so quickly. 23 23 23 23 23 23 That is here it is, 23. Alright guys, this is my first delivery. Let's do it. And it is a bit windy. I feel a bit chilly right now. The weather is cold, so I think I'm gonna wear my jacket. And look at these stairs. Which is house number 20. That's 21. That's house number 20. A very nice place to live. Open the gate. Put the box here. And then first delivery finished, guys. Let's go to second delivery. I hope I don't have to charge my camera so often. Alright. As I said before, like this job requires somebody who's working so fast and then running from one place to another place. So if you are, it requires somebody